What's up guys, this is Aftab and you are watching iGadget Advisor, and in this video we'll be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 3. Now I got this for a price of rupees just 17,000 rupees from Flipkart due to the big billion day sale. Now the original cost of this watch is 31,000 rupees, but thanks to Flipkart, because of their huge discount, I was able to get this watch once again just for 17,000 rupees. Now this is my first Apple Watch and you can see on the bill it says 17,000 rupees. So again, this is my, as I said, first experience with the Apple Watch, and I'm really excited to see how it look and feels. The entire packaging itself is very premium, so as soon as you start unboxing the watch, you really feel the worth of every penny that you spend to purchase this watch. One of the most important part of the watch is that it only works with the iPhone and not with Android. So you see someone wearing an Apple Watch, this means they definitely have an iPhone and not an Android device. So let's quickly see what all we have. So of course, when we remove it, we have the code that says designed by Apple in California, and we have some additional straps and the magnetic charger and whatnot. So this is the magnetic charger that looks like something to be used by some doctors. Nonetheless, this is the Apple Watch itself, wrapped on all in a frosted plastic. So let's quickly remove it. We have some additional plastic on the top itself. So this is the aluminium space gray one, and it's the 42 of course. So I'll quickly apply a screen guard on the watch because I don't really want to make it all dirty. So this is the watch booting up, and this is the pairing process. So I'll just quickly skip through this because I don't really want to waste the time in pairing the watch. So once again, the watch is all ready, so it's doing some basic setup. So I also bought some additional screen protectors and cover for the watch because I'm really bad at using it. So I'll be making a separate video for this cover that you see on my watch, so the link for that video will be in the description below. Thank you for watching. This is Aftab signing off. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and do share the video and let me know if you were able to get this Apple Watch or not. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.